Alright guys, so
I think it's time to get real.
I think we need to tell you guys what the real deal is.
We need to tell you the truth. Hey guys, so this week we're checking out North Cascades National Park in Washington.
Yeah, we came all the way up and we're excited.
This
is a place we always wanted to go to, and we didn't ever think we'd be able to really make it.
But here we are.
But here we are, and we're pretty excited about checking it out.
Yep, so check it out with us.
Come with us.
We are in North Cascades National Park.
Diablo Lake.
We're checking out Diablo Lake. It's behind us. If you come to the park, make sure you stop here.
We're going to try to find a way to get down there.
Yes, it's amazing. It's beautiful.
If I get a chance, I'm jumping in.
Our story became a world brand new. You and side, we'll touch the stars, we'll follow our hearts into the light. Walk with me and we'll be all we need. Your hand in mine, our song undefined, our world alive.
Like this?
I think I want to do this.
Are you afraid of suspension movies? How many people do you think crossed this thing today?
Is that for like people for all crossing?
Yeah, like all day.
No, stop. Go ahead so I can just go fast. At my pace.
I'm
okay?
nervous.
I am nervous. Okay?
I'll go behind you.
Okay.
Reminds me of that Shrek scene with the donkey. All day people cross this thing. It's a trail.
Can you carry Jack?
Yeah, it's fine. Where's Jack?
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So I think it's time that we tell you guys the truth.
Yeah. I think we should. It's only fair.
Yes, I think we owe it to you. So you always see, I mean, if you've watched our previous videos, you see the highlights of our adventures.
Yeah, the fun, the wild, the crazy.
Happy smiles.
Adventures.
You know, beautiful places, and just us being a family together. But I want you to know, we want you to know that it doesn't always look like that.
No, not at all.
Some moments are just straight up chaos.
We have some wild kids.
Yes.
That's okay.
Our kids
with
are
big emotions.
Our kids are 5 and 2, so we got, you know, a 5-year-old with really strong emotions, and then a 2-year-old who is terrible. You know, he's got terrible emotions.
Oh, they call him terrible.
Terrible twos. They call him terrible twos.
He's not terrible. He's a sweetheart.
He's a sweetheart, but his behavior.
He's 2 years. Guys, I cut Jack some slack.
We are parents.
It's super true.
Yes.
And we're human.
We're real people.
So we're humans who parent.
Yes, we're real humans who parent.
While we travel in our camper.
Yep. You see, so the deal is that if you've watched our previous videos, you probably see us happy, adventuring, exploring,
Wild.
The highlights of our adventures, pretty much. You know, pretty music and stuff. And that's something that we choose to focus on. But we guys don't ever show you.
We do not include some videos. We do not include the
real
crazy
stuff.
The crazy car rides.
The crazy car rides.
The tantrums.
The tantrums.
The fights, the battles.
I know that we always show you the highlights, but I just want you to know that the other side of those highlights is us just parenting and doing the everyday, like, for example, we set out on a hike and we're so excited and let's do it, and then
boom, there they are.
Boom. And then, you know, Jack cries the entire way.
Or refuses to walk the whole time.
Refuses to walk, or he wants to walk backwards, or he takes off his clothes.
Or
I mean, you
uses the
name
bathroom.
It. Yeah.
And then what? He wants to be carried.
Yeah, like there's just so many variables, and we choose to only remember the good times, but I feel like the bad times are important to notice too.
Attitude's everything.
Acknowledge, yeah. Yep.
So yeah, just whatever you're doing out there, just
know that we're doing it too.
And keep on kicking butt.
Right.
Yo, you guys are doing great. This is it. We're on the beginning of the trailhead.
We're gonna do the Blue Lake Trail.
How far is it?
It's 2.2 miles in, 2.2 miles out.
I remember the summer, we were just kids living in a dream. Undercover lovers, lost in your eyes, swimming in your mystery.
We've been on the hike for about 20 minutes now. We've made it about 20 feet, and look who's on my shoulders already. This is fun. And guess who's leading the pack? Natasha.
Can you say a helicopter mom?
Helicopter mom.
Yeah, helicopter mom. Ah!
So alive, young and wild. Maybe I'm not supposed to let my lips touch your lips, but if it's alright, I just might. Under starlight, feels like all of my life been searching for a sign, but not tonight. Beating hearts like thunder, feeling so high, living like we'll be young forever, young forever. It's our time, you and I, so alive, young and wild.
Blue Trail, Blue Lake Trail.
Still have to go back, but
Now we start going
totally
back.
worth it. It's a good time.
Yes.
It's good though.
Yes.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
No, absolutely not.
I'm still gonna make happy videos.